kakhulu. Ukugijima bazalwane unengokugijima bese siyamdedela uThixo wethu bese siyamdedela egameni kaYesu. Ngizofunda ke bazalwane ngokusheshsha ngicela sifunde ivangeli ngokukaJohn, John chapter 4 verse 22 siye kuverse qhubeke noverse 24 bese siyeqa sifunda uverse 40 bese sifunda uverse 42 egameni kaJesu Kristu. Ngizofunda ke bazalwane. Isihloko sakhona sithi Jesus talks with a Samaritan woman. Verse 22. Ye worship ye know not what. We know what we worship, for salvation is of the Jews. Verse 23. But the hour cometh, and now is, when the true worshippers shall worship the Father in spirit and in truth. For the Father seeketh such to worship him. Verse 24. God is a spirit, and they that worship him must worship him in spirit and in truth. Verse 40. So when the Samaritans were come unto him, they besought him that he will tarry with them, and he abode there 2 days. Verse 42. And said unto the woman, now we believe, not because of thy saying, for we have heard him ourselves, and we know that this is indeed the Christ, the Savior of the world. Chapter 3 ke manje sifunda iverse elilodwa khona egameni kaJesu, uverse 6 wakhona. Ngaxolisa abazalwane ukuthi sithu kufunda kancane. Verse 6 ufundeka kanje. That which is born of the flesh is flesh, and that which is born of the spirit is spirit. Bese sigijima abazalwane lokugcina ke manje. Luke chapter 24 egameni likaJesu. Luke chapter 24 uphetha nje kanye ebe ngemuva bana bathi sifunda khona. Luke chapter 24 sizofunda uverse 13 egameni likaJesu. Ngizocela ukugijima bazama ukuthi sazosifundela sisi kwelesizulu. Luke chapter 24 verse 13 to verse 17. Bese sifunda amanye amavesi ke akhona lapha bese siqedile ukufunda bazalwane egameni likaJesu. Kufundeka kanje verse 13 Luke chapter 24. And behold, 2 of them went that same day to a village called Emmaus, which was from Jerusalem about 60 furlongs. Verse 14. They talked together of all these things which had happened. Verse 15. And it came to pass that while they communed together and reasoned, Jesus himself drew near and went with them. Verse 16. But their eyes were holden that they should not know him. Verse 17. And he said unto them, what manner of communications are these that ye have that ye have one to another, as ye walk and are said? Verse 19. And he said unto them, what things? And they said unto him, concerning Jesus of Nazareth, which was a prophet, mighty indeed, and work before God and all the people. Verse 28. And they drew nigh unto the village, whither they went. And he made as though he would have gone further. Verse 29. But they constrained him, saying, abide with us, for it is toward evening, and the day is fast spent. And he went in to tarry with them. Verse 30. And it came to pass, as he sat at the meat with them, he took bread, blessed it, and brake, and gave to them. Verse 31. And their eyes were opened, and they knew him, and they vanished out, and he vanished out of their sight.
John chapter 4 verse 22.